Hey guys, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I'm Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel, StudyZone. This is the 16th tutorial of probability, chapter 15 of standard 10th. In last session, we discussed about example 9 and in this session, we will discuss about example 10. So, don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework, example 10 from your textbook and obviously homework. So starting with the first, it's basic formula. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. So go to the next. It's homework answer. Jalpreet tosses 3 different coins simultaneously. It can say one is of rupees 1, another is rupees 2 and another of rupees 5, right? So there are total 3 coins. What is the probability that she gets at least 2 heads? At least means minimum 2 heads. So here Jalpreet sees 3 different coins. So total outcomes are 2 raised to 3 equals to 2 into 2 into 2. So outcomes are 8. Got it? And over here I have written all these 8. So minimum 2 heads means we can include 3 heads also. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So possible outcomes 4. Ultimately probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 4 divided by 8 equals to 1 upon 2. Got it? Because 4 2s are 8. Now go to the next. It's example 10. In a musical chair game, the person playing the music has been advised to stop playing the music at any time within 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes means maximum 2 minutes, means total outcomes 2 minutes after she starts playing. What is the probability that the music will stop within the first half minute? First half minute after starting, means starting with the 0, first half minute means 1 upon 2. We can say 1 upon 2 means possible outcomes 1 upon 2. Maximum 2 minutes means total outcomes equals to 2. Got it? Here the possible outcomes are between 0 and 2. Now we should conduct in half minute. So every half minute 0, 1 upon 2, 1 and 2. So possible outcomes 1 upon 2 because it is first half minute, right? And total outcomes equals to 2 because it is within 2 minutes, right? So total outcomes 2. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 1 upon 2, which is number of possible outcomes divided by 2. Now multiply 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So 1 upon 4. Got it? If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Now go to the next. It's homework time. There are 2 probabilities are available. One is 0.2. Then find the another. Best of luck guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Bye-bye.